Computer Center encourages social media usage, but users need to consider a few things when posting content. 1. Personal information. Limit how much personal information you share. Hackers and fraudsters can use personal information to pretend they know you, win your trust, guess your passwords, or even impersonate you. 2. Check the matrix. Only ever share unrestricted information about Computer Center on social media. If in doubt, check the classification matrix. 3. Sensitive data. When posting videos and photos, make sure there's no sensitive corporate data in the background, for example, on whiteboards or screens. 4. Consent. If you want to tag colleagues in a post, get their consent first. 5. Computer Center accounts. Accessing Computer Center's social media accounts and creating new ones requires group development approval. Contact them via NGSD. 6. Concerns. Finally, if you ever have any concerns with a post you've seen, raise a security incident via NGSD.